Okay, I got a trouble. My car check engine light on, and I don't know what happened. Okay, just take this scan tool, plug it in. Let's see what happened. Okay. Okay, I take the scan tool, plug it in. Let's see what happened. Okay, I got the code PO101 mass airflow sensor. So go ahead, chain it. Let's see what happened. Okay, now we pop up the hood. So we have to take out the filter housing and take out two dark hole. Okay, one and another one. Put it to the side. Okay, and for this guy, we just lift it up. Lift it up. Yes, lift it up. Okay, slide out. Okay, slide out. You know why? Because right here you have to lock in. So if you don't take the good care, you just lift it up. It broken. Look like this. If you lift it up like that, it should be broken. And you have to pull it out. Okay? Put it to the side. And hold in here. Lift it up. Up. One side. And go to the right side. Lift it up. See? Okay. I'll check it out. So now we're looking for the map sensor. Just right here. Okay. Normally you can buy just sensor by itself. It's cheaper than if you get the whole thing. Okay, the whole thing you can change it, or with the housing, or without the housing, just the sensor only. So now we can press this guy. Press the lock down, and from the bottom over here we have one more. So we push up and down, we move it out. Okay, and the lock over here, we have to unlock it. Okay, and take two kind right here, plastic one. Push it out and pull the whole housing up symbol. Okay, so now I took it out. I open it. Okay, the clamp. So now next step, we pull it up. Okay, pull the one up. I need two hands. Okay, so now pull it up. I just pull it up. I just take it out. Okay, and here is my new sensor. Okay, so put it back the same way like we take it out like before. So it should be done. Easy, right? Okay, so we have to check, make sure all the same before we put it in. If not, we put it in, we get a big trouble. Okay, all the same. Yeah, seems like that. It's all the same. Okay, before we put it in, we use the W40. This one, W40. We put some around here, the orange. For us, easy to put the new one in. So now I put all back together. Okay, like the same way. Here, you get a flat light. Put the connect, lick it in, and check. Make sure. Put your hand down there. Check. Make sure everything good, everything in the place. Okay, check it. Just a flat light, check it. Okay, so now we're done. Thank you.